In this video, I'll guide you through how to target roofers with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a service or product that's designed for roofing businesses, creating a targeted audience can help you reach the right people more effectively. Facebook Ads Manager gives you the ability to build a saved audience based on locations, interests, and job-related categories, making it easier to reuse that audience in future campaigns. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and select Audiences. This is where you'll find any audiences you've previously created, along with the option to build a new one. Click Create Saved Audience to begin setting up a new audience specifically for roofers. Start by giving your audience a name that clearly identifies it, such as a roofing audience for a particular region. Next, choose the geographic location you want to target. If your business only serves a specific state or region, enter that location so your ads are shown to the most relevant people. If the option to automatically expand your audience is enabled, you can turn it off if you prefer to keep your targeting limited to the location you've selected. Continue scrolling through the audience settings. Adjust the age or gender only if your offer requires it. You can also choose a language if your campaign is intended for a specific audience. As you move further down, you'll notice Advantage plus Audience settings. Since Facebook increasingly relies on AI to expand targeting, switch back to the original audience options if you want more direct control over your targeting choices. Now it's time to build your audience using detailed targeting. In the search field, begin entering roofing-related keywords and interests. Add terms such as roofer, roofing contractor, roofing company, residential roofing, commercial roofing, roof repair, roof replacement, roof inspection, and other relevant options that appear. Continue adding related interests while watching the estimated audience size. If it's too small, include additional roofing-related categories until you reach a size that fits your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied with the audience you've created, click Create Saved Audience. Facebook will process your selections, and after the page refreshes, your new audience will appear in the Audiences section. The next time you create a Facebook ad, simply choose this saved audience during the ad set setup instead of building the targeting from scratch. This saves time, keeps your campaigns consistent, and makes it much easier to launch future ads aimed specifically at roofing professionals.